that through their head. Just cook the meat, and you'll be fine.
I can't believe you're hearing this. I mean, you've known all about this? I'm shocked.
Donnie boy, you just gotta try and step back and look at the big picture. 40,000 people die in automobile accidents every year. Does that mean Detroit should stop making cars? Does it? Of course it does. You ever been down to Mexico?
What's that have to do with anything?
Beautiful down there. Really beautiful. Great beaches. Gorgeous. And then, worst fucking place I've ever been. Guy down there makes $3, maybe $4 a day. A day. Yeah. That same guy, he comes up here, he gets a job working for UMP, making $10 an hour. That's more money in one day, and he makes back home like home. So, frankly, I don't see the problem. Nobody's making these people come up here, right? Nobody's telling them to come work for UMP. And you know what? I admire these people, okay? I really do. They're hard workers. They're working hard, and they're trying to improve their lives, okay? And isn't that what our ancestors did? Isn't that what made this country the great country that it is today? Huh? And you want to try and stop them? You want to tell them that you know what's best for them? Those people don't like to be told what's best for them.
What's going on at UMP, folks? Man, I'm gonna have to tell Jack about all this.
Tell Jack, huh? I've been working for this company almost 30 years. Hell, I grew up right down the street from the Nathans, and we were all back in Muncie. So, here's my little piece of friendly advice to you. Be careful.